The first chakra, the root chakra, is about your self-image, survival, security, safety, grounding, sexuality, seeking pleasure, and trying to avoid pain. And this is where, in terms of archetypes, this is where your prostitute archetype predominantly resides. This is, this is an archetype that's connected to your integrity, to how you manifest things in your life. There's so much power and vitality, energy in this archetype. Or if you deny it or pretend it's not there, you will have no energy at all to do things and to manifest. So there's so much to learn about this. It's connected to the earth and to the mineral kingdom. The second chakra, the sacral chakra, is about your inner feelings, reproduction, creativity, family, and sensuality. This is, some people have asked about the inner child. This is literally where the inner child resides, and very connected to pregnancy and birth in that area. And inner child work is profound and deep, and every person on this planet essentially pretty much needs to do that work, because it changes and transforms you. And when we talk about self-love, you cannot do self-love without actually looking at inner child, and not as a generalized inner child, but as different timelines, so, and different parts of the archetype. So there's a lot to understand here as well. The chakra is connected to water and the plant kingdom. The third chakra, this is what we are going to focus on in our process today, because this is really connected to your inner self, your self-esteem, your confidence, how people treat you. People scan you literally through the chakra. They intuit you through this chakra. They know how to treat you through this chakra, even if they think that they have no intuitive abilities, right? So whatever's going on here, and also connected to your digestive system, is how you're going to experience the world. It's how you think about yourself. It's how others think about you and see you. This is where the victim resides. This is how the media and all the people who want you not to think for yourself, they'll attack this. They'll create a victim out of you. You'll feel like a victim. You'll have no power. You feel helpless, hopeless, don't know what to do, lost, confused. This is the area we really, really, really want to strengthen. We want to be victorious in our lives. So the fourth chakra, the heart chakra, is about self-nurturing, universal love, divine feminine, your relationships, your intimacy, your relationships and how good you are at them basically create your health or lack of it. And definitely the health in your heart. That's why so many people have heart issues. This is connected to empathy and altruism. This chakra is connected to the element and emotional realm, to the air element. A lot of people talk about follow your heart, follow your destiny, follow your guidance. That's great to say, follow your intuition. But if you've had a lot of hurt in that heart, it's connected to the saboteur archetype. You will have a lot of issues and you will sabotage many, many, many things in your life. Or when you really connect to the victorious part of you, to the guide within you, you will live your life in a beautiful way, and you will heal things that people are just gonna go, oh my God, how is this possible?